I'm gonna put a ladder up to the Apache if I can. Come on.
Well, I'm securing D.
What the heck?
Oh, I see it. I see it. Hold on.
I'll get up here. Oh, this is sketchy
I'm coming.
as hell.
I'm coming.
This is sketchy as hell, Avery. Let's go. Yes.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
Oh no. Go down. Okay, go down. Straight through. Wait. Wait. There you go. Thank you. This guy's just watching us like, how the hell? Can't you get through it?
I don't know how we haven't exploded yet, but
Don't jinx it, we got out! Oh, there's a random one next to us! Why? I have a tow missile. Okay. You got this, Avery.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Oh! Oh! Come on! Come on, baby!
So the problem is the
Rotors are clipping.
it's the tail rotors hooking on the back of the
We are targeting objective Bravo.
Hostiles now hold objective Alpha.
Well,
The enemy has taken more objectives.
I think we should get out now.
Be advised, hostiles attacking Delta.
Well,
we tried.
I mean, we tried. I'm gonna shoot a breaching charge at it because why not?
Good plan.
It blew it up!
I was blowing up Blackhawks in the story mode with the HE launcher.
Right, and you're like, what?